Hi everyone, my name is Maria and this is a demo of my Impressionist Painter app for my CMSC 434 class. So the first thing to notice here when the app first opens up is that I moved the download images and the load images options up to the menu in the top right corner from where it was previously in the bottom left corner. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to load an image. I'm going to do that from my gallery. So let's select this flower. And as you can see, the image is loaded over here on the left. And I have several different brush types. I've got the circle brush type, which is also responsive to the speed that the user is moving their finger with. So faster speed means larger circle, slower speed means smaller circle, so more precise. We've also got the square brush, same thing, it also responds to the speed. We've got the line brush, which is not responsive to speed, but is responsive to direction, so it's always perpendicular to the movement of the user's finger. So let's load another image to test out the other brushes. Let's do this really cute bunny that I've got here. So I've got the circle splatter brush, which creates these like splattery kind of effects. We've got the line splatter brush, which creates these randomized sort of line splotches, which is also responsive to speed. So larger splotches means faster movement. The same thing also goes for the circle splatter brush, of course. And we've also got this interesting bow brush, which creates this kind of bow-like effect, if you can see it here. And like all the other brushes, also responsive to speed. So we can go ahead and clear the painting. And another thing that we can do is each of the brushes can also be inverted in terms of color. So for example, let's switch back to circle. As you can see, this is the normal color of this image, but we can also switch to inverted brush color and paint using that. So obviously the bunny is not blue, but when you actually invert the color, that's what you get. So we can of course save the image once we're done. This is obviously not a masterpiece, but I'm going to go ahead and save it anyway. And I'm going to give it a name, Blue Blobs, because that's basically what it is. And that's been saved, so now I can actually open my gallery and check out this really awesome image that I've got here. So I'm opening my gallery, my pictures, and I've got blue blobs. And another thing that I can do here is share this image. So if I really like this particular image, which I do, I think it's pretty great, I can go ahead and email it to someone. In this case, I'm going to email it to myself because I'm pretty sure I'm the only one that appreciates the beauty of this particular image here. I'm going to call this Masterpiece. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and send that to myself. And that is pretty much a demo of my application. I hope you enjoyed it.